Rain is falling on the glass. I'll walk in searching peace at last. Your eyes catch mine without a word. A spark ignites, a fire stirs. A slow sip, I see your face. The music drifts, I'm in another place. Your smile breaks through my solitude, and fate is writing something new. Two strangers covered by the night. Through the silence, something feels so right. Under the rain, your hand in my upbeating rhythm. Love's design inside this bar. Our story starts, a memory burning in our heart. Your words are music on mine. Your gaze disarms me deep within. No turning back, it's clear.